Get in the holiday spirit with Christmas Mockups. Instead of just showing gays in your flat as signs in your shop, put them on a mockup that is full of the holiday spirit to really catch the attention of your target audience. If you specialize in creating apparel designs, creating attractive product images doesn't require much of an investment. Using holiday mockups means you don't have to waste a ton of money or time on getting amazing images of your designs. Create anything from cozy sweaters, big warm hoodies, to the classic Christmas t-shirt mockups. Speaking of, with Placeit, you can create all types of Christmas designs to put on your shirts, and anything you can think of. Find holiday design templates featuring adorable animals, an ugly Christmas sweater design template, others with traditional Christmas graphics, and many more. The best part is that you can get all your designs ready to post today and in no time. The sweet treats don't stop there. To make your designs even more appealing, try Placeit's social media templates to make eye-catching promos that you can use to promote your online shop, share a special Christmas wish on social media, or even use them to create ads to let everyone know about your sale. Check the link down below to try Placeit's awesome templates, and let me know in the comments if this video was useful for you. Happy holidays!